The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Campbell County in central Virginia, northern Appomattox County in central Virginia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 6:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Concord and moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Concord, Appomattox, Oakville, Tower Hill. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of quarter or larger sized hail, as well as wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for northwestern North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Sunday morning for north-central North Carolina and south-central Virginia. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for northwest North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for west-central Virginia and southeast West Virginia.